Sex party, oh, sex party. My people, person lifetime investment, savings, in fact, sweat, everything just enter voicemail like that. Kaduna State now, they hot. I dey tell una because now police don arrest people wey organize sex party for one hotel like that. They say the organizers dey under arrest because e get to do with sex. And as una know, all these people, you understand, no one mention their name. They take all this matter very personal. They say they dey against their religion. Now wow, nothing wey we no go see again for this life. They demolish the building. In fact, they scatter. No be small demolition, you know. And the thing now, the owner of this place where they demolish, my people, now the thing where they pay me pass because the owner no even they aware. Una don't understand. The owner no even sabi say, okay, now this thing they happen for my place, so. Now so they go demolish. Abeg for una we no know wetin dey shele for Kaduna as e dey hot. Abeg make we watch the video.
When some policemen came in here in the evening at about 8-9, they came and they said they came for their arrest to arrest two. We said what was the problem? They said nothing until we get to the station. So when we got to the station, they said that it was supposed to be a sex party in this house. And we told them we don't know anything like that. There's nothing as such here. They insisted that it's somebody that forwarded the whole thing to them. So we now said, okay. They arrested my friend and my workers. We begged and begged. They said no, that they won't release us. The next day I came to bail them and I paid 100,000 to bail them. Released everybody. We went back to the shop. They now called us on the 30th so that my boys should come back to the station. When they went, the policeman, one Mr. Felix, now took them to state and asked them to sit down on the floor. They were now asking me what the problem was. They said they shouldn't worry, that they just do little thing and let them go. So they called and said, these are the suspects. With my workers, that they are the suspects. When they did that, they asked them to go back to their houses. When they came back to the restaurant, they were now telling me that this was what happened. I was surprised. Not up to 5 minutes that I left the restaurant to go to my other restaurant. Somebody now called me that something is happening in the restaurant, the main restaurant. When I went there, I now saw the bulldozer. I asked why, because there was no notice. They said it's because of the sex party.
Nonsense. This is total nonsense. In fact, arrant rubbish. No, permit me to speak small English. Why you go demolish person? No, you don't understand. Imagine say this guy don't sweat, he don't save money, come manage, build that thing. Now they go demolish him. Just like that. At least they don't even say, okay, make we call the person, ask them questions. You understand? Those kind of things. They just take law for their hand. Now, wow. I just dey imagine my people, assuming a Sheraton hotel. Una no Sheraton hotel for Nigeria, that big hotel. Imagine saying that this kind of thing happen for inside that hotel. So these people, this government now, they go come talk say they demolish Sheraton hotel. Now be say, see, they know where their level, they know where their power they end. Because this kind of thing, you no fit try them everywhere. You understand? So now, as I dey talk to una, see, government don't destroy the place. How you go destroy person property for crime wey you no even know? No, some things now see Nigeria don't dey worse so. It don't dey worse so. This one even pass Sodom and Gomorrah. In fact, you don't see your religion, oga. Your religion no dey accept immorality. You know they accept sex party, okay? But now these same people now go they marry 13 years old girls. Now. But your religion now, the sex party now, your religion not accept am. Something is definitely wrong. Something dey wrong. I dey tell una. Now then go still dey sleep with underage girls. Now then go still dey talk say okay, anybody wey dey less than 18 fit marry. No, which religion worse pass this one? But now you dey come outside. See, Nigeria, una don give authority to the wrong people. Una don give authority to the wrong people. Now people just dey misbehave anyhow. How e no go happen when from the head to the leg everything just dey upside down? So how order wan take place now? Una go travel out. Now una go travel out, attend strippers club. Now una go travel out, una go even order for home service for una room. Now you dey your country, you can't behave like say now you holy pass, holier than thou. Una time go soon reach oh. Bros, if you know wetin good for you, because now people just dey talk say they suppose give am compensation. How much compensation they wan give? How much una think say government go release for this person? Una no see the building. Hey, bros, if I be you, I go fight with teeth and blood to collect exactly how much. In fact, if you even fit collect more, collect them. You understand? Because you need re-establish that thing. Una know whether na the only means of living wey im get? No, now they suppose give am. If my people see, if at all person dey wey they suppose demolish in house, na Nasir. Now that one they suppose, now no Nasir in son. Yes, now that one in house they suppose demolish. Now the same person wey come out before, wey dey threaten one Igbo man, mama. He say he go rape am. No be only Igbo, he go call him gang. They go dey pass am around like that. Anything, no be sex party too be that. Una no dey see una own thing o. Now when person outside do him own, una go realize say okay, this thing dey wrong. Nigeria, my people, me, I just dey very sorry for this guy now wey losing a hotel, understand? But I dey hope say at least person go give government sense, person go tell them wetin they suppose do. I just dey hope. My brother, my condolences. So as I talk before, if you get lawyer, you better start dey operate now. Although I know say no go anywhere, but the people now the matter be this. So meanwhile, we get another interesting gbege with the shelle. This one another northern guy. Northerners, their eye don't dey sharp on my people. This one now don't go marry. See, you marry white woman. See, you strategize. You know, say everybody get reason why they marry you. This one sit down, plan am. He strategize. After he get wetin he get, now he don dey come outside, they tell us say they brainwash am, saying they suspect say na juju after he marry white person. My people, no be small matter. The guy now in question dey 30 years. When the woman wey go marry na 53. See age difference. Now he say he don't tire, say he don't fight for divorce, but now the matter be say the woman no gree. The woman say she know they divorce, so say this marriage now for better for worse. Now so the boy come outside, say they use juju. Yeah. My brother, we use juju. No, white people sabi wetin be juju. Which juju you dey talk about here? Shut up for there. No be only juju. Na jaja, you don't get after you don't get all the things wey you won't get. You don't realize say your eye don't open. You marry Americana, you no do you. You collect American papers, you no do you. Green card, everything. You don't finish, you don't dey satisfied. Now you don't dey bring stories of the gods for us to. No, you and who won't settle this case? No count me inside though. I no dey here to settle any case. I dey here to expose you and all the people where they behave like you. Bia. All of una we no say na your part be this. If una no start dey change. See, one thing I like, karma real. It's very real. At the beginning, it go dey sweet you, the things go dey go well. Wait until the thing hits you. Very lazy set of people. Now nobody won't work. At least learn handwork. Uber cars, they wey una fit drive. Many things they wey young boys fit do, but no, they define easy way. You go marry your grandmother age mates. You even get mind now. Open this your mouth. They thought say they brainwash you. Thunder. Thunder, why you dey waste time for some cases like this? I know they like all these things. As I dey call you like this, you suppose they come. You understand? People like this, they suppose don't receive them. See, the way abokis now, they look for white people, eh? Before, you don't go even see Malams. Where you want to see them before? Now, their eye don't tear, razor blade. They don't sharp. So if you don't say you be white person where they watch me now, I beg. See, they on your mad now because they come. They come, oh. You understand? So now, and as it is like this now, I think say by now, white people go don't open their eyes. Why people suppose don't wise up by now? Now this matter you don't think where they happen, and the thing where they pay me, they say they dupe them every time. You know, say where people they too easily they depressed. So once they see person, we go just show them small love. They will just fall yakata. I know they surprise. Say na the man self even do charm. I no go dey surprised because now people they do anything for money and the woman get money. So wetin you no go do? See, wetin black men no go do for green card. Wetin green card do now? Any small thing green card. See, make una dey careful. Me, I no go talk past this one, no. Make una dey careful, oh. Before they go turn una to lizards. I just dey wait for the time where white people go just make up their mind. No, una dey imagine this thing. Say white people don't make up their mind, say they go start they do juju. Many black people go just die anyhow because they go catch una like rats. My people, na the matter be this, so. And now, wetin una think? Make the woman agree to divorce am and make it go in peace? Waiting now, because now the guy don't see say the woman plans to don't they change because the woman don't already observe say this guy dey for my money. Waiting una think. I want to know comment for the comment section. Don't forget to drop her. Share this video, like this video, and subscribe. Don't forget. You know I love you guys. I will see you later.